Hello, balsamic reduction. It's just fantastic. And, balsamic is getting more and more popular because it's a great antioxidant. And balsamic reduction it's the only way I use balsamic vinegar. I don't like it out of the bottle, like just getting the vinegar. I'm not a big fan of vinegary tasting stuff. But reduced, then it becomes a treasure. It's just absolutely unbelievable. This is the Reduction Evaporator kit right here. Simple, very inexpensive, really good quality, going to last years and years and years. And shipping is free, so I'll put the link at the bottom so you can see where you can pick it up on a website. For free shipping anywhere in the United States. The only thing that's not included is the tax. So the price that you see includes the shipping to your door. So these are the evaporators you get in the kit. So you get 3 of them. They're 32 ounces each. So 2 of these bottles, which I use. Now, you could use any balsamic you want. I just like this. I've been using this for decades. It's my favorite for reducing. And back when I used to reduce, like everybody else did, in a pan with heat. But when you eventually taste balsamic that's been reduced naturally in the evaporation process, you realize how big of a difference there is between that and heating up in the pan. The pan scorches, makes it bitter, it loses flavor and texture. It's just nothing near what the reduction does. And that's why that's the way they do it, the original traditional way from thousands of years ago, where you get the 100-year-old balsamic. It's that process of not heating, just naturally let it all evaporate out. And I've had the 100, I've had a couple of them in between. I've had the 25. I think I had a 50-year-old at one time. And I can tell you, you put this on food, you're not going to know the difference. It's really that simple. This just comes out fantastic. So what you see here is I just kind of pulled these random from my stuff because I have a lot of these going on at one time because I love balsamic. I eat it every day. I eat a balsamic reduction on my salad every day. It's my salad dressing, and I love it. I'm addicted to it because it's so good. So this kind of represents sort of a way to do this. There's a number of ways you can do it. It just depends on what you want, how much you want of it, what volume of the stuff you're going to use. So one of the ways is you start one of these out, you let it go down a month, you start the next one out, let it go down, now you're down 2 months and 1 month, and then you start the third one, so now you're down 2 months, you just started the third one, so you're 2 months and 1 month, and then at that time, or 2 months, and then once the last one goes down a month, then the third one's ready to go. It's 90 days. So that's this process. You can kind of see what happens. And you get something like this, depending on how hot it is where you are, what temperature you're keeping this in, you get this, as you can see how thick this is. It just clings to the sides. Amazing, just fantastic. Now, I like this thickness a lot. This is one of my favorites, so I keep that in a squirt bottle. So I use these squirt bottles because I love them. They're just handy, and I can keep 3 or 4 different viscosities, so depending on what I want to use them at. I usually about 3, a really, really thick one, sort of middle grade, and the thinnest one. And there's just different things I like it on. So on warm stuff, I'd rather have the thick one because it won't melt out or run off so easily. And then on the colder stuff, I could use the one that's not so thick. But I switch that up from time to time too, so it doesn't really matter. Just depends on what mood I'm in and how thick and sweet I want it and what it's going on. So if something really bitter, I'll get the thicker one because that's going to be sweeter. There's more sugar from the reduction left, so it's going to sweeten up things that might be a little bit bitter. So again, that's all up to you. That's personal taste. And that's the one thing you get to do here that you don't get to do if you go to the store and buy, reduced balsamic. There it is. That's what you buy. That's what it comes in. And if you buy it again, it's going to be the same thickness. And if you buy it again, it's the same thickness. So you can try to look around and buy other ones that might be thinner, which is possible. They're on the shelves. But why not just control it yourself for a quarter of the price and make as much as you want? The key with this is the screen at the top. This is what lets the air in and the evaporation out, basically, in a sense. It's a very fine screen. It's very technologically designed screen. It's made as a filter, so nothing gets in it. Basically no dust, no bugs, no anything. And these are all completely washable. I never wash mine. Sometimes I'll rinse them out if I get some balsamic on the top by just pouring stuff out and using them, whatever. Just take it on this faucet, rinse it, done. There's no need to wash them. There's no need to put soap and water on them. Just rinse them out and fill them right back up again. Because balsamic doesn't have any oil in it, so it'll just rinse out. And that's all I do. I've never washed one yet, and I've been using them for quite some time now, since I put this together. So, yeah, if you want, when it's ready, you can stick them into a fancy jar too. You don't have to put them in a squirt bottle if you want to. I keep this just in case I have company over and we're doing some dipping of beautiful bread and balsamic and olive oil. I pour it out in this. It makes it kind of feel that much better. Not that is that you're going to even worry about it once you start eating it because it's so good. So that's it. It's just a natural, simple evaporation. You get the kit 3. This is free shipping anywhere in the United States. All of it's made in the United States. Nothing is made in any other country. Boxes included, labels, everything is all made here. And it's very inexpensive. The link to the website is down below where you can buy it. Includes shipping, doesn't include tax. I'm Food Maker V, and I'll see you next time.